Ever wondered how to turn a simple image into a stunning video with just one click? Well, with Vidnoz AI generator, Kling, Runway, and GPU, turning images into stunning videos is super easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use these powerful AI tools to transform static images into eye-catching videos in just seconds. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just experimenting with AI-powered video generation, these tools make the process fast, effortless, and fun. Let's jump in and see how it works. First, visit the Vidnoz AI official website. No downloads required. Simply open your browser and head to the site. Once there, navigate to the free AI tools section and select AI image to video. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's completely free. Just sign up using any of the available account options and start creating in seconds. Turning your image into a stunning video is incredibly simple with AI-powered tools like Vidnoz AI, Kling, Runway, or GPU. To get started, choose one of these AI-powered platforms and follow two quick steps. First, upload your image in JPG, PNG, or WEBP format by dragging and dropping it into the tool. Then, click Generate Video and let the AI work its magic to transform your static image into a dynamic video in seconds. These powerful AI tools transform your static images into stunning, high-quality videos, perfect for social media content, marketing, or personal projects. Best of all, no editing skills are required. Try it now and see how easy it is. You can share, edit, and download your video with just a few clicks. Sounds easy, right? You can create 5 to 8 videos per day for free, giving you plenty of opportunities to experiment and create amazing content. These tools support popular AI models like Kling, Runway, and GPU, so you have multiple options to get the best results. Plus, with just one click, the AI analyzes your image and instantly transforms it into a video. No editing skills needed. Whether you're making content for social media or personal projects, it's never been easier to bring your images to life. By default, each video is short, but if you need a longer duration, you can easily adjust it to fit your needs. Whether you're looking to bring old photos to life for social media, create engaging content as a social media creator, or even use these videos as footage for your projects, Vidnoz AI has you covered. With just a few clicks, you can transform any image into a professional quality video. Quick, simple, and hassle-free. Clicking on Edit takes you to a powerful online editor where you can customize your video without needing to download anything. With Vidnoz AI, you can easily change the default format, adjust settings to fit your needs, and even add multiple layers to enhance your video. You can also combine multiple videos, name your project for better organization, and apply smooth transitions to create a polished, professional look. Everything is done seamlessly online, making video editing faster, easier, and more efficient. You can easily upload files from your local device or even record a video directly within the platform. Whether you're working with photos, videos, or audio, everything is seamlessly integrated for a smooth editing experience. On the left side, you'll find a variety of useful tabs to help you manage and enhance your project. From the Video tab, Image tab, Elements, and Audio, to text, voiceover, and more, you have all the tools you need to create stunning, professional quality videos, all in one place. With Vidnoz AI, converting an image into a video is that easy. Once you've finished editing, you can export your video in HD quality and instantly share it on your favorite social media platforms, whether it's for content creation, marketing, or personal projects. And that's it. With Vidnoz AI, Kling, Runway, or GPU, you've effortlessly converted your image into a video in just 3 simple steps. Now it's time to bring your ideas to life. Start creating today and share your videos with the world. With these powerful AI tools, video generation is fast, easy, and completely free. Get started now.